ARIBA and I'm back with this Halloween tutorial. So it's 2018 and Princess Jasmine is a little bit blonder and she is with child. So I'm going to show you guys today how to recreate this look. Do not be intimidated. This is extremely easy to do. Anybody can recreate this at home as a tutorial. I wanted to keep this very simple and very easy for you guys to follow at home, so do not be intimidated by all of this. It's way easier than you think. Alright guys, so you're going to want to start with a shit ton of hair. You're going to need a lot of hair for this. So I have my extensions clipped in. These are the darkest hair extensions that I have. I have blonde ones too, but I'm trying to keep it as dark as possible for the Princess Jasmine theme. I know it's not anywhere near black, but for me this is black. For this tutorial, you're gonna need a teasing comb. If you don't have a teasing comb, you could just use a regular comb, just something to tease your hair with. And then you're gonna need 3 of these elastics, 1 hair band, something that's like elastic. And lastly, you're gonna need a light hold or very pliable hairspray. So this one is Fashion Works 12 from Redken. It's super light and it doesn't get stiff. So that's what you want to stick to for this hairstyle. It'll be your modern version of the look, I guess. Okay, so we're going to start by parting your hair down the center. So we're gonna comb our hair back in through the crown in here, and then you're going to tease it. Starting at the front of your crown, you're gonna just grab some tiny sections and tease your hair only at the root and just work your way towards the back of your crown. I only did like 3 or 4 sections, that's all you need. And then using the side of your comb or brush, just smooth out your teasing without removing any of it. Okay, so now that our teasing is all in there, we're going to grab our elastic band and we're going to put it basically around the cushioning. So you're gonna start right here at the end of your parting and you're gonna place it, and then you're going to just let it go all the way down. And you're gonna wanna secure it with some bobby pins because it's gonna wanna pop off. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 bobby pins. We can always and most likely will adjust this after, but that's kind of where we're at right now. Nice little puff happening. If you find it too difficult to blend out your teasing, just skip this part, don't stress over it. But I'm going to tease this because I want like lots of drama in my hair. So I'm gonna take horizontal sections and I'm gonna hold them in the opposite direction, and we're going to just tease them at the root. I'm not even teasing much. Okay, so once it's teased, you're just gonna like kind of brush it back. And then just very lightly brush it back. So now we're just going to grab sections of our hair and we're going to comb them back. Grab your elastic hairband and tuck the section in, and then grabbing the tail end of that section, grab another piece and tuck that in as well. And grab another piece. And you're just going to continue the pattern a couple of more times. So you're just grabbing sections, tucking them into the elastic. Very quick, very easy to do. Keep it going, keep it flowing. So this is kind of where we're at, and now we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. And to cover this last bit of elastic, we're just gonna grab a piece from the bottom, loop it through, and we're just gonna leave the tail end hanging. So at this point you have 2 choices. You can do it straight back down this ponytail, or you can create it off to the side. I personally think that it looks a little nicer in like pictures, and like it's easier to kind of walk around with all day if you do it off to the side. You want 2 equal loops, so just kind of eyeball it where you're gonna put the first one and where you're gonna put the second one, and then you wanna leave a little bit of a tail out, okay? So right at the front, I'm going to create a loop like so. And in those 2 fingers, you're gonna place this braid and loop it through. And that is it. And then just carefully tug on a few pieces to fan it open and make your bubble appear a little bit larger. Cool, right? This is called a faux fishtail braid. For those of you that are wondering what this is, I do these all the time because they're so easy. So now we're just gonna do our second one. I'm gonna just kind of eyeball it to be around the same size. And I'm gonna tie my elastic band and we're gonna create another loop. Okay, and then grab the tail end and loop it through. Tighten it a bit and pull it up. Alright, so just for our final touch, I'm going to add some gold ribbon over the elastics to cover it. I find that even like gold jewelry or like anything gold really works here. So I'm just going to quickly put that into place and tie it up. It's the small details that make all the difference. Alright guys, so here we are, all done. What do you guys think? Princess Jasmine is like most brown girls, well, me anyway. She's our Cinderella growing up, and Aladdin was like my first love. Who are you? Who are you?
I am Princess Jasmine.
Princess. It's not Princess Jasmine, guys. It's Princess Jasmine. Right, Lils?
Princess.
Say Princess. You have joy on your face. No one is enjoying your outfit more than Ken is. That's a fact, right, Aladdin? You guys, leave him some love down below. Tell him how good he looks. I think he looks very handsome. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our little Halloween tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're going to be posting weekly videos again. See, he likes the hat.
Happy